At least it's not that hot. So today we're over here helping out my buddy Gino with his D-Series Honda Civic. At his last track day, he kept having issues with the belt basically ripping. So we're thinking potential failure point is this PLM Adjustable Idler tensioner. So what we're gonna do is go back to O.E.M. He did source the tensioner, and I'm hooking them up with the idler pulley. So we're gonna have to remove the mount. So we have the car jacked up and replace this whole mechanism with the O.E.M one, and we'll see how it goes.
Bad bitch on the way. I'm starting every day. I'm getting to the money every day. Why they always trying to steal my wave? Hey, bad bitch on the way. I'm starting every day. I'm rolling all the way.
There you go, the old PLM unit. Now we have the O.E.M tensioner installed. So it's kind of pain in the ass because we have to loosen up the motor mount. The motor mount. Move it to the side so we can put the bolt all the way down there. One bolt right here and one right here in the middle. Then we put the idler pulley bolts right here and tighten up the tensioner. So now Gino's gonna go ahead and grab the belt, and we have to put back the motor mount, and we should be Gucci taters. So we got everything back, button everything up, put back the motor mount. Everything went in good. So we're gonna go ahead, turn on the car, and see if it works. Am I tripping, or do you see it? Wish I had a K-swap.